Now, you have to practically understand what is the type promotion. Actually, the way of storing the value is changed, but value never be changed. That you have to understand. Now, this is the thing. Int versus long you are making. Suppose int operand plus long operand you are performing. Then what happens? Actually, these are different types. The int is promoted as long first, then long versus long happens. Let us take an example. 65. 65's actual value 1501. Actually, now how it is promoted? Now, int means what is the size? The size is 32 bits. 32 bits. Now, how it is stored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. These are 25 zeros. Okay, 25 zeros. This is the way this 65 into 65 is stored. Now, because of the promotion, what happens? This is same, and here, what is the size of what is the size of long? 8 bytes. 8 bytes means 8 into 8, 64. 64. These are 7. So, 57 zeros. 57 plus 7, 64. Earlier, 25 zeros plus 7, 32. Now, 64 bits. So, by promotion, actual bit pattern never be changed. Earlier, the padding 25 zeros are there. Because of that, padding 57 zeros have come. This is the way promotion is being made for the sake of uh, overcoming the limitation of this thing. Okay, now for promotion purpose, simple rules are developed. Then you can very easily remember that. Actually, in any expression, one double is there. One double type plus any other type except Boolean. Now, double versus any other 6 types. Double, total 8 types. Out of that, Boolean totally exclude. Boolean is not converted into other types, other say 7 types. 7 types are not converted into Boolean. So, totally ignore Boolean. Remaining all these rules with reference to remaining 7 types only I am explaining. Now, double. Double versus another 6 types. Anything is done. First, any other type is first promoted as double. Then, double versus double. The result will be double. Just to apply your brain, here you substitute any other type. It may be byte, short, int, long, float, or char. Then that is promoted as double. Okay, second one. This is else if. Then you consider, and thereafter you don't take into consideration of double. You think of remaining types only. Now, float. You exclude 2 types. One is Boolean, other one is double. Double we already considered. Don't consider again. Then how many types you have to consider? We have to consider only 6 types. Okay, float and any other 5 types. What are the 5 types? Byte, short, int, long, and char. Any type. Then first it is promoted as float. Then float versus float, the result is float. Okay, next thing, third. Now exclude 3 types. One is permanently Boolean. So don't consider the 3 types. And how many types are there? 5 types. Now this is long. Long plus any of the 4 types. What are the 4 types? Byte, short, int and char. Then this is promoted as float. Okay, then sorry, this is promoted as long. Then long versus long, the result is long. And remaining whatever combinations, now we consider already 4 are over, remaining 4 types are there. Remaining 4, how many combinations you form? That means what combinations you can form? Just some I am writing, byte versus byte, byte versus float, byte versus int, byte versus char, like that. Short versus int, short versus byte, short versus float, sorry, short, short versus byte, short versus int, short versus char. Next, char versus byte, char versus short, char versus int. So, in all the remaining types except the type, whatever combinations you can form and all that, in all such cases they are first promoted as int. That means always you remember byte plus byte, if you make an operation, you cannot store the resultant value in byte, because first these are promoted as int versus int. Ultimately you must store in int, otherwise it gives a wrong result. So, these 3 you understand. Remaining all combinations, you must remember that the 2 operands are first promoted as int, thereafter int versus int operation is performed, and then you must store the value into int. These are the promotion rules. Finally, one very important point I have to tell you. In some cases, the argument should be promoted. One best example I give you. Math class provides several static methods like POW, math, square root. So, here it requires double. Actually, it requires double. It was designed in such a fashion it can act upon double. Suppose we need not think of it. Just we have given 16 here. 16. We need not think of that. It takes only double. So 16 means integer literal. It is stored by default. It is stored in by 4 bytes. So automatically it is promoted as double first. This argument is first promoted as double first because it takes only double arguments. Then it evaluates and it returns double value. So what is your responsibility? Always the return value should be stored in double. That you must remember. Otherwise, if you want, now we have given 16, you know that result is 4. If you try to store it in byte, short, int, long or anything, you get error. So you must store it in double. These are the automatic type conversion principles you must remember. Where automatic type conversion is not possible, there we have to go for explicit type conversion, that is called typecasting. And a simple principle we can remember with subject to certain exceptions for automatic type conversion. Actually, a smaller type can be stored in bigger type. Okay, so now if you see, a byte can be stored in int, a short can be stored in int, a int can be stored in long, a small box you can put in big box. And in this context in this context some problems will come. Suppose int operand, float, both are 4 bytes only, but float you cannot store in int automatically. Automatic type conversion is not possible. In C, C++ it is possible. Suppose 12.3, if you want to assign to int operand, just 12 is stored. But automatic type conversion is not possible because loss of data is there, truncation is there, the 0.3 is truncated. In such cases where loss of data is there and all that, then explicit type conversion is required. By type conversion, what is ensured as compiler is ensuring that you are voluntarily doing that. You are prepared to lose this 0.3. Understand? So automatically it does not perform that. Then we go for type conversions.